billions of years ago, by the count of your human calendar. It was then that my body came into being through a symphony of love, which was like a sacred impregnation through 7 rays of light. From my perspective, as your planet, this is not long ago at all. I would like you to know that we are deeply united. We were then, we are now, and we will always be deeply united. Whether you're conscious of this or not, you each are a living cell within my planetary being. Through my forests, my rivers and oceans, I am your breath of life each day and night. I also am like a guardian, a mother, for the evolution of life that becomes possible through my planetary being. It is from my planetary womb, impregnated with the sacred life potentials, that I brought you forth into this life as the human being you are now. My life-giving powers of nature, they live deep inside of you and in all of us. You too are nature. It is by this life-giving power that you can renew and recreate yourself from the sacred seed potentials of the eternal. The eternal source codes of life. I know that these are challenging times with much uncertainty and suffering. It truly is a time of transition between 2 very important cycles. There is a world that is dying and coming to an end. And there is a world and a new cycle of time that is waiting to be born through you, through me, through each of us together. The first beginning, it held such beautiful promises and dreams and possibilities. But unfortunately, that first beginning was not able to actualize fully. This promise of a new beginning, of a new cycle of time, holds the sacred codes of who we truly are, of how we can bring forth a new world that is born from our unity, through wholeness and by the power of love. Some of the concepts that you will hear me share with you might be new to you or unfamiliar, and that is okay. Just take your time with everything that you will be discovering and learning and remembering. And listen to my voice, listen to the wisdom that is transmitted through the words, and trust that all will become clear towards the end. You are the possibility for this world of unity that your ancient wisdom keepers and prophets and seers and sages have long foretold.